Welcome to this channel. Today is Tuesday, the 23rd of July 2024. The theme of this video is a healthy gut, a healthy immune system. The intestine is continuously exposed to foreign antigens and other environmental agents. Accordingly, it comprises the largest compartment, that is about 70% of the immune system, with substantial amounts of organized lymphoid tissue and large populations of scattered innate and adaptive effector cells. The intestine comprises several anatomically defined segments that each has distinct physiological roles and immunological components. The immune system of the small intestine focuses on protecting the ability of the surface epithelium to digest and absorb nutrients from foods by defending it from infection. The mechanisms include IL-17 and IL-22, producing T cells and innate lymphoid cells, the production of antimicrobial peptides and intraepithelial T cells with innate and cytolytic effector functions. Regulatory T cells help prevent hypersensitivity reactions to dietary antigens. The large intestine, that is colon, is not involved in digestion. However, it is the reservoir for huge numbers of commensal microorganisms as potential hazards and keeps them at arm's length without expelling them, collectively known as your gut microbiome. This involves the production of a thick mucus layer, the generation of IgA antibodies, and the presence of large numbers of regulatory T cells. These various aspects of immune function are served by distinct kinds of secondary lymphoid organs and are shaped by factors in the local environment, such as dietary components and bacterial metabolites. Elucidating the factors that determine the anatomical compartmentalization of the intestinal immune system will improve our understanding of why intestinal diseases tend to occur at particularly anatomical sites in the intestine. One thing which may be worth noting is that whilst one may have been convinced by advertisement about the need for germ cleaning, you may have to give a second thought when you have also been advised that the world of science has revealed that some of these microorganisms are in fact there to protect you against the effects of harmful microorganisms. Then can you justify yourself by cleaning these germs? That is, why is there the need to disturb the natural arrangements of what's inside the gut, especially unnecessarily? So not all microorganisms are bad, but some of them can be harmful. And when your body is infected, these pathogens may cause diseases such as influenza, measles, chickenpox, and digestive problems such as constipation or diarrhea. Whilst we are here, let's turn to the things that can hamper your immune system. A poor diet. A diet short of fiber and some essential nutrients can stop your immune system from functioning at its best, and you could be plagued by constant infections. A poor diet can also upset the balance of the microbiota. Getting this balance right is one of the most important ways of boosting your immune system. An unhealthy lifestyle. A lack of exercise, poor diet choices, smoking, and excessive drinking are lifestyle choices that could stop the immune system from performing at its best. A lack of sleep. Your body, your digestion, and your immune system need you to rest regularly. Too many late nights will disrupt the normal function of many bodily systems. Then is there any reason why you need to boost your immune system? It is worth finding ways to boost your immune system in any way you can. Otherwise, you could be plagued by constant infections, also with a slow recovery process. Helping balance the microbiota in your intestines is one of the most efficient ways to boost your immune system. A stable microbiota helps with digestion, production of nutrients, detoxification, protection against germs, and general regulation of the immune system. Also, the immune system is to know not to put up a fight against healthy parts of the human body or against harmless substances. The following are some suggestions to boost your immune system. Eat a healthy diet. Eat a fiber-rich diet and opt for fresh fruit and vegetables if at all possible. Use antibiotics only when really necessary, and remember to take probiotics as well. Only take antibiotics when it is medically required and is prescribed by your doctors. Antibiotics can wreak havoc on the good bacteria in your gut, as it cannot distinguish between helpful organisms and pathogens. Take a probiotic that will help restore the balance in your gut. This will not only promote gut health, but will also make your immune system fighting fit. Choose a healthy lifestyle. Excessive drinking, a lack of exercise, a constant high stress levels, smoking, and a lack of sleep will all contribute to disrupting your intestinal balance and limiting your immune system's ability to function properly. Scientists from the ZOE COVID system study discovered that people who ate a gut-friendly diet, including lots of plants, were 40% less likely to have severe COVID-19 symptoms or to require hospital treatment than people who ate an unhealthy diet. Your gut health and your immune system. Interactions between your gut microbiome and your immune system are not only complex, but also work in both directions. Just as the health of your immune system can influence your gut health, your gut microbiome can have a direct effect on your immune system, including on certain types of inflammation. In general, inflammation takes the acute or chronic forms. An example of acute inflammation is when you accidentally bruise or cut yourself. The redness, swelling, and heat you may notice as you heal are signs of the cells in the damaged area, sending homing signals to specialized immune cells to fight infection and repair the damage. This is part of your body's natural way of taking care of itself. Another type of inflammation is chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a long-term, continuing response by your immune system. It can affect your health by increasing the risk of serious conditions like obesity, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. Scientists believe that the gut microbiome may be the central player that links chronic inflammation to these diseases. Over time, eating the wrong types of foods for your body can promote chronic inflammation by causing spikes in your blood sugar and unhealthy blood fat levels. Gut microbes and immunity. Scientists are starting to make links between the health of our immune systems and specific gut microbes. ZOE scientists study the relationships between people's diets, the levels of white blood cells, measuring to assess chronic inflammation, and the makeup of their gut microbiomes. Their studies revealed that lower levels of pro-inflammatory white blood cells were linked to regularly eating lots of vegetables. They also calculated that 20% of this link was associated with a group of bacteria called Collinsella, which thrive on a diet of processed food. Why a diverse microbiome is important for your immune system? Research is increasingly revealing important links between a diverse gut microbiome, that has many beneficial microbes, and a healthy immune system. In a recent study, scientists looked at the relationships between gut microbiome diversity diet and the immune system in 2 groups of 18 people given special diets over a 10-week period. The first group ate a diet containing prebiotics. Prebiotics are substances such as fiber that feed the bacteria in your gut fiber. Whilst the second group was given a diet high in fermented foods containing probiotics. Probiotics are living microbes that can have a beneficial effect on your health. The study revealed that the first group with high fiber diet was associated with stable gut diversity. The study also revealed that in the second group that ate fermented foods, microbiome diversity increased whilst markers for inflammation in the body were reduced. Other research has explored the impact of aging on the relationship between our immune systems and the diversity of our gut microbiomes. The research revealed that as you age, your gut microbiome becomes less diverse and your risk of infectious disease increases. Although further studies are required, researchers have found some evidence that both probiotics, that is, living microbes that can have a beneficial effect on your health, and prebiotics, that is, substances such as fiber that feed the bacteria in your gut, could help tackle the reduction in gut microbiome diversity. What to eat to support a healthy gut? As experience dictates, everyone's body is different, and that you will achieve the best results for your health by understanding more about your personal responses to food. However, there are some foods that help support a healthy gut in general. Prebiotics. Eat lots of plants, which are a great source of prebiotics that feed your good gut bacteria. Prebiotics can be found in foods such as garlic, onions, leeks, legumes, asparagus, and whole grains. Probiotics. Eat foods containing probiotics. Probiotics are living microbes found in certain fermented foods that can have a positive effect on your health. They can help regulate immune responses, including the functions of the gut lining. Eating them regularly may effectively increase the diversity of your gut microbiome and the amount of good bugs it contains. Probiotics can be found in fermented foods including yogurt, kefir, cottage cheese with live cultures, Swiss cheeses like Gouda, aged cheddar cheese, kimchi, and sauerkraut. Thank you for watching and listening. Goodbye.